Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Saroj Kumar. So in today's video I'm going to be testing out some viral nail hacks by 5 Minute Crafts. So if you don't know what is 5 Minute Crafts, so 5 Minute Craft is a very popular YouTube channel and their videos are so cool and quirky and relatable for all types of audience. Before getting into this video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and please smash the like button if you really like this video. Now without any further rambling, let's quickly get started with the video. So for the very first hack, you can see on the screen right here. For the first hack, she is using a dental floss and wrapping it around the nail and painting the nail with another color. Wow, let's check it out. How does it work? Okay, so this is the floss hack result. As you can see, it's working, but it's very difficult to create this nail art because I was unable to wrap it around the nail, and it's really very difficult. I really like this, it's working, but it's not easy. You need to practice. So I would like to rate this hack 7 on 10. Okay, in the second hack, she is using a kind of chewing gum wrapper and cut a heart shape into it, and she did amazing nail art. Wow, let's try it. How does it work? So this is the second hack result. As you can see, this little tiny heart, but it's not in heart shape. I don't know what mistake I made. Please comment below. Maybe it's working for others, but it hasn't worked for me. Please comment below what mistake I made. So I would like to rate this hack 0 out of 10. Okay, so in the third hack, she uses a band-aid to create French manicure nail art. Let's check it out how it turns out. Okay, this is the third hack result. As you can see, French manicure, and how it turned out. It turned out amazingly. I really like this hack. You can definitely try this hack. It's really working well. So I would like to rate this hack 10 on 10. Okay, so the fourth hack, she uses two different nail pen color and she makes a lining circle with the help of toothpick, and she got amazing nail design. Wow. Let's check it out. How does it turn out? This is the fourth hack result. As you can see, it's really working. You can definitely try this hack. It's working well. So I would like to rate this hack 10 on 10. This is our last hack, fifth hack. So it's a simple thumb printing. Let's check it out. How does it turn out? Last hack. This is the last hack result. As you can see, it's working. You can try this and create this design at your home. It's really working, and I really like this thumb printing. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you really enjoyed this video, then please smash the like button and subscribe my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is, you can see on the screen right here. So you can also follow me on Instagram. I post pictures and videos and random stuff, so you can follow me on Instagram. Now bye, I will see you in the next video. Take care.